So here we are in the bunker. This is the actual part of the game that I really enjoy. You know, a lot of people don't like being in the bunker. They find it hard. But it's all about technique and setup, especially in the bunker. And here we are, we have a short shot. You know, in today's game, all the pin positions are cut really close to the edges of the green. And if you miss it on the wrong side, you've got to be able to hit the ball out of the bunker nice and high and create some spin. And the way to do that in bunker play, again, is to use that back edge. Use the bounce. And by doing that, the best way to open up and expose that bounce is by changing your setup. Again, you want the ball really forward. You almost want the shaft of the club leaning backwards. That will really expose that back edge. Again, when you get that ball forward and the shaft leaning backwards, that promotes a really open club face. You know, you want to rotate and get this club as open as possible. Now, and if you want to create spin and speed, spin with a bunker shot, you've got to hit it very hard. And by opening it up, you're glancing across the blade, and you can hit it as hard as you want and create more spin. So let's try and hit one. Nice and forward, shaft leaning back. Open that blade and hit it hard. And the ball will come out and hit nice and softly and won't release. You know, you can really pitch it right by the hole that way, and you're able to control it.
Thanks, Luke. No doubt the best golfer to ever come out of Northwestern. Let's shift gears a bit now and head to Orlando, Florida, and the PGA Merchandise Show to see this year's hot new products.
The Business of Golf is brought to you by MB Financial Bank.
The annual PGA Merchandise Show attracts over 1,000 companies and brands, along with more than 42,000 PGA professionals, buyers, and industry leaders. If it's golf-related, it's here, especially the newest innovative products. Cobra Golf recently paired up with Puma. This colorful brand is sure to open some eyes and make some noise with its new AMP driver.
It stands for Advanced Material Placement. That's all about thinning the walls in areas of low stress in the driver to maximize our weight distribution, maximize our forgiveness. Also features E9 face technology. Face technology is a hallmark of Cobra design. Hotter 9 points, people might remember. E9 takes that to the next level, and that's really just about generating maximum ball speed, maximum distance on off-center hits, which is where we pretty much all hit the drivers off-center.
TaylorMade continues its role, launching 19 new items for the year. Its hot new Rocket Balls line leads the way.
We got guys coming over here hitting fairway woods, picking up 17, 20, 25, 30 yards in distance with their fairway wood compared to their last one that they had or to their gamers. So we're seeing a lot of real fun stuff happening with the new products. The technologies are amazing. We continue to really kind of redefine the game and redefine the metalwood category.
Callaway Golf's finally jumped into the adjustable driver category. Its new Razor Fit can be quickly modified on the hosel and with weights on the sole.
Maybe the one thing that makes our driver a little bit different is that the adjustability, it's simple adjustability. So one of the things that I hear from a lot of people, I work with a lot of consumers on a regular basis, is they don't know how to set the driver up because there may be too many options. And with the Razor Fit, it's very simple. We have an open face angle position, we have a square, and we have a closed. So it just depends on what the player wants to look at address and what type of ball flight they want to see.
Nike Golf's touting its new VRS line. It claims you can pick up 30 to 50 yards in distance throughout your entire bag.
We've been working on a technology for about 6 years called NextCore, and it allows us to be able to speed the ball up coming off the face of our drivers, our fairways, our hybrids, and even some of our irons by a new engineering technology that we got on the inside of the club.
For years, Mizuno Golf's been known as the PGA Tour players' favorite irons. The company now has a line of irons for any skill level.
We just recently launched 3 new iron models, 2 on the MP side or better player side. We have our brand new muscle back, which is MP69, and that features our new 4D muscle. We also have kind of a shallow cavity design featuring tie muscle technology. And what tie muscle does for us, it allows us to expand the sweet area, make it more playable, easier to use, while still keeping a compact head size and lots of thickness behind impact for a great feel.
The local brand of Chicago's Wilson Golf is out in full force. Among its many new and exciting products is the DXI driver. Most drivers weigh just 320 grams. This baby comes in at just 269 grams.
The biggest challenge for non-tour players or really good low handicappers is getting the ball out and play through distance. With this driver, because of the lightweight aspects, a player can pick up 2 to 4 mile an hour club head speed. That equates to about 7 to 10 yards in distance off every tee, which for most players is the difference between sometimes hitting a 4-iron or a 5-iron and a 7-iron. So it's really important. We're really excited about it, and it's our first foray really back into the driver arena.
There are so many choices out there, and the clubs just get better and better every year. Of course, that's par for the course. Let's continue our look at hot products now, shifting from the world stage of the PGA Merchandise Show to Chicago's club fitting experts at Club Champion.
Hi, my name's Nick Sherber with Club Champion Golf. Today we're going to be discussing a hot topic, belly putters. You see them on the PGA Tour and you're starting to see them more around the golf course. Why do you go to a belly putter? Most people go to a belly putter because they're not putting well, and that's a good enough reason. But it might also be that you're a good putter and you just want to get better. It provides an anchor point that you can repeat time and time again. Let's start with that anchor point. First is finding the proper belly putter is finding the proper length belly putter. How do you find the proper length belly putter? First, you need to find your position. Most people's position should be just left of their belly button or slightly higher than that point. From there, you need to figure out the length that not only touches that point, but then get your eyes, shoulders, and body in the proper position to hit the putt. A putter fitting can help you get to that point. Then from there, you want to decide on what head style you should be using. Through a putter fitting, you can decide on what kind of style putter you should be putting with. Most you're going to find are face balanced mallets, like the one I'm holding here. As you can see, when I balance it, the face shoots straight up in the air, and that's going to be good for some strokes, but not for all. Through a fitting, you can find out which one will be right for your stroke, as far as maybe you need some more toe hang, which I'm demonstrating here, which you can get in other putters. The last point is you want to find the proper weight of the belly putter. This is going to help you with your speed control and your stroke control. So some people need it a little bit lighter, some people need it a little heavier. Have someone help you find out which one that is.
Club Champion has 3 Chicagoland locations, including downtown. Up next, we'll chase a little sunshine with Chichi Rodriguez in his homeland of Puerto Rico at the renovated Dorado Beach Resort.